Hello bros, it's Full Flopis here, back with another video. So in this video I want to talk about basically when to buy in dips and when to sell. Okay, basically that's what I want to talk about here. And I wanted to create this video just because a couple of past days people are very fearful. And it's a pattern that will go on and go on. So people get fearful, then they get greedy, and then they get fearful, greedy. So that's the pattern. Okay, and you know, you can take advantage of this. You can take advantage of this if you know what you are doing. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do it and how you can like see it very easily. And let's go. Okay, so let's just dive in here. Okay, so anyway, by the way, cryptocurrencies are very young asset class. Like they have not matured yet, meaning that there's this huge volatility. If you look at like assets like stocks, stonks, you can just see that they barely move, like the seasoned stocks. And the reason for that is because people hold. Like that's how, like if you think about Warren Buffett, like he's like Drew Diamond hands. He just buys and he holds for like, you know, 80 years, you know what I'm saying? So he just holds and holds and holds. He rarely sells. And that's how he like wealth is created, by just holding. So if you look at cryptocurrency, it's a risky asset, meaning that it's new. That's why the volatility, and that's why it's so young, so there is not that much money in the play, and it's so like risky. So that's why the volatility. Okay, so you can either hate the volatility or you can embrace it, because what the volatility brings chances to make crazy money fast. Because when people ape in, you can make it's crazy. The gains to be made can be insane. Okay, so here's what I want to talk about in this video. So right now the fear index, so this is crypto fear and greed index. So currently the fear index is 27. Okay, so you can see that it updates after like 18 hours 19 hours here. And let me show you. So when we had the good last bull run, but it's still the bull run, it was just overextended from December basically to October, November, December, February, March, May, April, when just Elon Musk started pumping Dogecoin and this kind of stuff. You can see that the greed index was very high. So this would have been the best like time to sell, like literally. Like if you look at it, like it just, I remember that time and I was like, yo, there has been like the cryptocurrencies that came up was like, the names was just insane. It was just insane, insanity. So yeah, then there was the huge crash, and look at this. So this is when the fear index is 10 to 20. Like look at this. So this is the best time to sell, because the people who panic bought here without knowing anything what they're buying basically or holding, they just panic sold the bottom here. Okay, and then it just goes up again, and now we go back down. And for example, now it's 27. So if we go to like 10 or something like that, that's going to be huge. And like I hope that we could like consolidate here a little bit, because after that, when we go back up, it's going to be insane. So I hope that we cool off a little bit and get like some weak hands of the markets, because they will buy when people who sold here, okay, will buy when we go back up here. They will just buy here. They will sell the lows and buy the highs. Okay, there is people like that. And for example, I remember when I started trading or just buying cryptocurrency in general. I don't like to trade that much, but you know, I did that same thing just because I didn't know better. But now I just know better. So you know, now you also know better after this, that what you want to really do is go against the herd. Because when the fear is like here, it's very hard guys, it's very hard to buy. Like it's very hard. You're just like, I don't really feel like buying. That's exactly basically when you should be buying. And I'm not financial advisor. I'm not saying just, you know, buy. But I'm saying what I have learned. Okay, so this is like, you know what I'm saying. So this is very helpful, because you can just come here and use this as like a guide, like kind of like a, not the guidance, but you can use it as the tool. Okay, so you can see like here, when we dip here, we just come back. Okay, so this is, let me just say, so this is the 1 year. You can see every time we are like 9 to 90, it's going to dip like crazy. Look at this. Like look at these dips, and it just happens like clockwork. Okay, so here again here, so 79, and then just boom, 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 boom. So it's like it's pretty crazy. So now you know the secret of doing this, and yeah, definitely you can come here. You should come here and see see kind of like the sentiment. At the same time, it's very easy to also pick up on Twitter, because when people are like on Twitter, it's starting to get a little bit like people are very angry right now at the time. Like when the prices drop and people lose money, it's very angry place. So you can like kind of like, it's easy to see this kind of when we are fearful, and yeah, that's like basically the best time to buy the dip. Okay. And when we are here 90 to 95, I mean, this is crazy. Like it can't basically go any more up before we have to take, like when we go up we have to come down a little bit, and we just have it has to go that way. We can't go like straight line to the moon. Okay, you can, but it will come back down straight line to the bottom. Okay, because every action has its opposite and equal reaction. I know I've said it a lot, but if it's worth to say it once, it's worth to say it millions of times, because it's very important. Okay, so that's basically what you want to do, and you want to buy here when dips and sell here. Okay, and yeah, that's, but I'm like I said, I'm not financial advisor. It all depends. Maybe you want to, maybe let's say that you want to call a dollar cost average like in. Okay, maybe just know you can always do that. You can just always buy at these like dips. When you buy at dips, it's very like you have a huge margin of safety, right? So that's pretty good. Okay, and if you want to trade, you can also, you know, do it like this, but it obviously it requires patience, because think about here, if you for example sold here in January, you just hold it that kind of like profits, or just, you know, here or February, whatever, you made crazy gains, you just sold it and then hold it a couple of months here and then bought it back here, and then when it goes back up, you just instantly sold, and then you just, you know what I'm saying, you can do it, but it requires a lot of patience and you know, controlling your emotions. Okay, because it's like people, it brings dopamine when we just, even you hear that like a sound of a buy order go through on KuCoin, that cling, you know what I'm saying, it's just like I need more of that dopamine. But you just have to control yourself, and I know I'm getting better and better at this all the time. I don't say that I'm some kind of like a saint here who just knows everything. No, I'm just this. I'm like, if you go to the description of my channel, I say that I document my cryptocurrency journey. Okay, so I like, that's what I do. I just create these videos because I want to document my journey, because it's funny to look at these videos like in a couple of years the things are like, the prices are different. It's crazy. So it's very, and you know what I'm saying, it helps me grow to also do these videos, you know, and stuff. So I hope that you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Smash that like, and subscribe to my channel if you want more, you know, videos. And thank you so much, and see you in the next videos. Okay, so peace.